Hello guys, welcome back again. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show to you how do I create this text design on Canva Mobile. So the way to create it, it's so simple. Let's just go to your Canva Mobile and then open it up, create a new project like this. Make sure that you are creating a landscape project like this. And then just on this blank page, you just need to insert an image that you want to add as a text background. So for example, let me just use an image from Canva. So let's just go to the photo on the elements button. Okay, now, and I think I'm going to use maybe this image, this one. And now the next thing that you need to do, instead adding a text onto this page, you need to go to the apps button on your main toolbar, click it, and type on the search bar, this one. You need to type Font Frame. This is the apps that we are going to use to create this text design effect. So this one, this apps is on this side. Just click it to open it up. Okay, now when it's already open up, as you can see, you can input the text that you want to create. So for me, I would like to type maybe fish and like this. And now you can change the font of it. For me, I think I'm going to use this bitter font, this one. And here, this one is frame border. It's actually an outline for the text. And you can adjust it too by decreasing the border width or the thickness from the outline. And now, you can choose an image to set it as the inner filling for your text. So you just need to go to your page like this and then click the image, this one, click it. And now here on the apps, you just need to click this use selected image and wait for a moment. Let the apps is convert the image for us. And now as you can see, it's going to change like this. And when you finish adjust everything, you just need to click this add to design. Okay, now when you're done, let me show you. And this is the result from it. As you can see, now we have this style of text design that use an image to fill in the color for the text. And now if you want to create something like that I did on the previous clip, you can just increase the size from the image like this and then click it and decrease the saturation of it to make it have a black and white color. And now just go to the contrast and increase it a little bit, kind of like this. And now go to the brightness and you can decrease the brightness kind of like this. And now you just need to go to this text and then go to the adjustment tools and you can increase the brightness from it and the contrast. And then go to the saturation and increase the saturation of it. And now one last time, go to the highlights and you can increase the highlights from it. And to have a little bit more touch, you can go to the effect and add a shadow effect, this one, drop shadow effect onto it. And you can increase the intensity for the shadow. And if you're willing to, you can adjust the distance from the shadow, and like this. Now when you're done, just try to adjust the text one more time. And this is the final result of it. And that's the way to create this style text design on Canva Mobile. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.